I am Muhammad Imran. I am a professor of communication systems and a principal investigator for Urban Testbed for Scotland 5G Centre. The purpose of this lab was to allow different businesses and small and medium-sized enterprises to come and trial their new ideas without breaking anything, without breaking any service level agreements. So it's a safe playground for them to trial new innovations that they want to test, how they can improve the efficiency of their business, or how can they change the way they do their work. After setting up this testbed, there have been a lot of interest from industrial collaborators and partners. And one of the examples is where someone was interested in monitoring the use of agile working space, where different number of desks have been oversubscribed, allocated to more users, and someone wants to check before coming to an office how many spaces are available and are they able to get a space of their choice. And this has been enabled by a lot of sensing devices. When the number of those sensors increases, it becomes very difficult for a digital connectivity solution to provide them all with good service. 5G comes to rescue in this case and provides a high number of connected devices with accepted service level agreements. Another use of the same technology is to monitor assets in any closed environment. For example, a healthcare provider like our National Health Service can monitor how many wheelchairs are there in a hospital and where exactly those wheelchairs are located. So we are working with industrial partners as well as other collaborators to make these solutions commercially viable in industry. One other use case that we have been working with several industrial partners is how we can deliver an internet of skills, where people can deliver skilled jobs from a remote location and distance. There are many benefits of it. For example, in a country like Scotland, we can retain a lot of talent in highlands and islands in other remote places, while people can still do high-end jobs, which are usually located in city centers and urban centers. In order to do that, you need a very high quality connection, which has high throughput, but more importantly, has very low latency. The reason for low latency is when you move your hand and try to physically move something, you should be able to feel the effect of this gesture in no time. Otherwise, you will lose your hand-eye coordination and you have to retrain your skill. There are several areas where this can be applied. For example, healthcare professionals delivering their job from a remote location or behind a safe and secure glass partition. Any business which is thinking of using 5G and do not have any in-house networking and 5G expertise can come to us, because we have a local pool of experts who can provide them not only the know-how and technical expertise on deploying a network, but also this is a trial network which is on the wheels, and it can be ported to the venue where you want to actually test and trial the use of 5G. So we can bring in a pop-up network to your venue. It will provide you the 5G connectivity to trial it before you actually deploy. So for any industrial partners who are interested in collaborating with us, if initial investment in terms of financial investment is an issue or is a barrier, then we have this funding instruments of Impact Acceleration Account that is provided by Engineering and Physical Sciences Research Council in order to overcome this barrier. This account will provide us some initial seed funding if we can convince the funder that we have a good exploitation plan of any joint research or transfer of technology.